It is the day of No Prep Mania 8.5. Me and the kiddies are out here. We're giving, last time I brought Whitey out, she was way too dirty. Giving her a bath real quick before we load her up and we head up north. So let's go see if we can win True Street today. Y'all ready? Let's get it. All right, what is up, guys?
Hello!
Hit the we got all the kids, even this big kid. So if you just saw, we went through the blue and yellow bridges and the Golden Dome on the state capital of West Virginia, which usually means one of three things: South Side, Kentucky, or Ohio. So we are on the way to No Prep Mania at Tad and Jim's Dragway of Magnolia. That's what we're gonna do. Adeline is super stoked that we're gonna be staying in a hotel tonight. That is her number one love of things. And what was your favorite part about going to the racetrack?
Fries.
French fries. What do you think about that?
She's obsessed with French fries.
So, all right. I will talk to you guys a little more when we hit the Dragway. Let's see it. All right. What's up, guys? We are here at Magnolia Dragway for No Prep Mania. Got all of my crew here, all the essentials. Adeline with the, you like my fuzzy? Always. Jenna on the camera. And we are gonna run True Street. So we got drivers meeting here in just a few minutes and I'm excited. And Jenna tried to hinder us just a second ago. Tried to buy a $3,000 purse and hit the order button instead of the, yeah, so that was stressful. But no, we're good. So we're gonna see what we can do. What do you think, Gene? Let's do it. All right, let's get to it. All right, guys, we have got second pair, first round against Dust and Rain. I believe it's an orange Malibu Turbo LS car. Let's see what we can do. Let's go see if we can get ourselves a win. Don't worry about it. I'll be fine.
Okay, sorry. I thought you were the next one.
In front.
Should we hold the car?
Should be all right. That's fine. That's fine. have the freaking time to grab the scramble. Gosh, dang it. I had that. All right, guys, just didn't have enough in it, unfortunately. I've got about 2 pounds on the scramble. And as you can see, that was a very, very tight race. And if I was driving it pretty hard up top and didn't have my hand situated to where I could hit the bump button. I just didn't pay attention really good enough to make sure my hand was positioned where it needed to be. I do think that if I had the scramble, if I would have activated it normally how I do in second gear, but I should have that in the tune. That's why I don't have a scramble on the Zephyr. I have it all in because of that reason. Just stupid, but because I mean that was a tight race with a fast car. Fun stuff. So we're going to go around and guess enjoy our time for the rest of this evening. We were first round ducks. Again, it sucks, but hey, somebody's got to be it. It's unfortunate, but it is what it is. The car ran extremely well. I don't have a draggy in it. I don't really care about having the draggy in it. I left the draggy in the Zephyr, I think. And so it is what it is. Yeah, draggy's definitely in the Zephyr, not in here. So it sucks, but guys, hey, it's day at the racetrack is better than day at work. So let's walk around, see some things, talk to some people, give some money to Stripper Glitter, and go from there. All right, so Gina.
Hello.
Hello. We were first round ducks. Pac-Man, what do you think? We were first round ducks.
No.
We were. I was a first round duck. What do you think? Do better?
Yes.
Yeah, that's what I thought. He says do better, guys. First round duck, what do you think?
We need new front tires, in my opinion.
Front tires definitely did not affect the outcome of that race. First round duck, Adeline Claire Payton, what do you think?
Yes.
Yes.
When?
No. So, first round duck, Gina, aka Jenna, aka the mom. What? First round duck here at No Prep
What do I think?
Mania 8.5.
I'm gonna need the mic for this.
All right, she's gonna need the mic. Here's the mic.
Testing. Go faster. Win more. More horsepower. Turn up the boost. All the way turned up.
That was a good throw. You
Well, there you have it. That's all we need is just more power. That's pretty much the gist of No Prep and drag racing in general. Words to the wise, words of the wise. And she has something else to say. What do you need?
Toy.
Oh, she needs toys. Huh? Everybody needs toys, don't we?
Yeah.
So the only thing is we are in an elite group of first round ducks.
Tommy Hoskins.
Billy and Tommy both first.
Tommy was there?
Billy and Tommy both first round losses. Now, this is a different competition in small tire. I feel bad about our loss, but hey, it's losing is losing. Colt Coffee in Johnny Cash, which car hasn't been out in a while, but upper echelon type of car, also first round. Now, Billy and Tommy both beaten by pro-charged, supercharged big blocks, possibly. I think they may be. So, nasty automobiles. We got beat by a Turbo LS, which is the worst kind of loss that a Coyote can lose. The worst kind. I lost. Hurts your pride. Hurts you everywhere. It just does. So we got to change some things out.
Daddy lost.
I know. Daddy lost. Daddy done losed it. I losed it. But let's go see if we can have ourselves a good time and go watch some. Is that what you want to do?
Mm-hmm.
And then where are we going after this?
We're going to a hotel.
To the hotel.
That's what she
That's the most excited part that she's excited about.
I love it. I love it so much.
Crazy. All right, let's go. We may get some interviews with some people. I think we should do some interviews.
Hello.
Let's see what we can do. All right, we got Ken with Drag or Die. Ken, advice for first round ducks.
I don't know. You gotta go. You gotta run. Gotta try.
So more power.
Yeah, more power.
More power, baby.
You can't be conservative.
No, I know. Well, you know, yeah, I know. I wasn't on the scramble.
Yeah. Yeah.
That gets you. That's why the Zephyr has no scramble.
Yeah.
That's what it is.
Put it all in.
Put it all in.
Yeah.
He says put it all in, guys. All right. Is it recording? All right. Happy. A lot of first round upsets. A lot of first round ducks. Any advice for first round ducks?
Go faster and second chance.
Go faster and second chance. That's what we got right here. What would be your advice for first round ducks?
I would say just get out there and gotta hammer it early.
Put it all in.
Yes, sir.
All in.
By 1 second.
1 second, all in. I agree. I agree. I agree. I forgot to hit the scramble. And I lost by half a car.
Dustin's car runs pretty well, so.
It does, but I was very upset because I was so close. I was upset.
When I saw you two draws, I was like,
I know, man. I know. And he's a fast car.
so you guys got it back together.
How was first round?
Went good. I had a puppy, I guess you could say.
Gotcha. That's
so-
good. So you got some data then.
Yeah, it needs more in the front half,
Throw
and
it
then
in.
so it should go like 120, 60 foot this time, hopefully. So
On this, that's really good. This surface is
I went 1.4 and it was just felt slow. So
Oh yeah, nice.
We'll see.
Got to run that ragged edge. Heck yeah, awesome. Right there. All right, we got Corey Stamper with Spooled Media. Corey, we're asking, getting a consensus for first round ducks. What is your recommendation?
Well, all right, what are we talking about? Recommendation for what?
Recommendation on how to improve or do better. What is your recommendation?
Enough boost to throw the rod out the block.
Enough boost to throw the rod up. That's pretty much everybody's general consensus is just put more in it.
The up button is your friend.
Do better.
Yeah, I agree.
Hold up. A dominator swap also in between rounds.
That's it. Dominator swap, more timing, more boost, locked out cams, all of it. All right.
Pretty much everything.
Your mom just said get out of the car.
I know. Quit being a sissy. All right.
For the record, I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't trying to grow, then it's done for you. For the record, lab on me going all the way. For the record, ain't trying to link, no time to waste. For the record, yeah. For the